friends and subscribers. Yes, it's finally come to this. The day when Westerners are singing in the town square in China for money. What's next? Panhandling? Get a load of this guy. Standing outside the train station, pants down. He's got a little bit of money in his hands from begging. He's going to stand there all day and all night, his pants down, until somebody pays him money. I got to say, I got to give him an A for effort. He's got some definite guts, creativity, right? A female bus driver in high heel shoes. How she ever can operate a bus in high heels, I'll never know. Women are a labyrinth. Incredible. That's right, Majong, right in the convenience store. Check this out, two magazines next to each other. One is Time Magazine, Rise of the Drones, at Home in America. Right next to it is Tank Man, Tiananmen Square Massacre. And I'm really surprised that they have this at the newsstand here in China, but they do. Not really sure what it says, but I'm surprised that they're letting that image be here on the forefront of, print. Trapped. Packed in like a sardine. Well, you know the world is changing when they start making accessories for computers in the Chinese market exclusively, okay? Chopsticks for your iPad. Coming soon. Well, some things you can see in China that you haven't seen in the States in many years. It's been more than a coon's age since I've seen ashtrays on airplanes. But believe it or not, we have ashtrays on the airplanes and other places to smoke. If your apartment's too small and you have no place to do your makeup, why not do it right in the subway station? heard of Adidas, but how about Adidad? Look familiar? Yeah, they do it here too. On the bathroom walls, things like, you know, business pitches for a good time, call this number. All kinds of crazy stuff on bathroom walls. Okay, in the latrine here, the toilets. Looks like it's a standard, American standard toilet, like in the West, but no, actually, a closer look, it says Armitage Shanks. So the design of the logo is the same, and the size and the materials look almost the same as American Standard, but it is in fact a Chinese knockoff. Very interesting, very clever, and very uncreative. All over China, as part of the one-child policy, are condom dispensers. Put the coin in, or coins, and you get out the package. Quite ridiculous, actually, when there's no place where you can get actual free condoms in China. So to promote safe sex and one-child policy, you can't get free condoms. Let's see what happens. One RMB. Let's see what happens. Put it in. Okay, what comes out? One of these. I wonder for 1 RMB, what is going to be the quality. Canine security guards. Wow, I wonder what's he going to do to me if I try and go in. Check it out. These married ladies here got their own uniforms, dancing in the town square. It's a common hobby with Chinese older ladies, and these girls are organized. The new cheerleaders of China. Yes, you've got to hand it to them. The enthusiasm is there. The married ladies dancing team in their cheerleading outfits. Every day, a different outfit. Really something unique about China. Another unique thing is the guns. The guns. A kid in the United States does that, and they'll have Department of Homeland Security all over him. Sometimes after a long day, you just got to lay down and take a nap. Nothing wrong with that. Let's see. Restaurant on wheels. Restaurant on wheels. You just move it down the street, hit the next crowd. Tables, chairs, cooking oil, grill, food, everything. Wonder if he's got a permit for that. Nah. It's a miracle.